Level 1. The Oath. You are 9 years old. Your father places his hand on the back of your neck. Not gently, he pushes you forward toward the altar. The stone is wet. The blood is still warm. He doesn't ask what you want. He grips your small hand and presses it into the blood. He tells you to swear, not to live well, not to be brave, to never be a friend to Rome. Your name is Hannibal. You are the son of Hannibal Barca. Your family lost the last war. Carthage paid the price in gold, and silver, and territory, and pride. Your father came home broken in everything but rage. Tonight he is teaching you what to do with rage. You do not understand all the words. You repeat them anyway. The oath is in you now, like a second heart. You will keep it for 55 years.